just broke after that. Literally broke. And that's the tea, because it's been a journey. What's up, cuties? So, welcome. My name is Alexis. If you see my face, you see it. I really try something different, like out. This is the box. This is me and this eye look, like out of the box. Today we have a slime liner makeup tutorial, I guess. It's quite amateur, but it's something I've never done before, and I'm really excited, and I'm just ready to like be more creative with makeup. It's just for fun, you know. Orange on the eyes, and the liner is blue. So it's just something different, something a little quirky, a little crazy, because you know we're crazy over here on this channel. If you want to see how I did this and follow me along on this trying journey, I'm not going to say keep on watching, but you know, keep on watching. So yes, James Charles and Morphe took all of my coins, and I mean all of them. So I got the James Charles palette. I'm really excited, and it took a week to come in the mail, but it's really okay because it's just really too beautiful. I'm sure everybody already knows what this looks like, but just in case you don't, there it is. And also, along with the palette, he had his little brush collection thing. So that's what really got me. Got this cute little case, has James Charles on it, Morphe, like, this is big enough to fit all the brushes that I have. And trust me, I don't really have that many. So, gonna use these today too. And so, I was looking on Pinterest. I came across this little look, fun and fresh, right? So I'm gonna recreate this look. And then when I saw his campaign, he did a slime liner as well. So we're gonna be doing slime liner, except I'm gonna be doing an orange little look as well. So we can go ahead and get started now. I'm going to start with my face makeup. So I'm going in with the NYX Hydratouch primer. And I'm just taking some of that and I'm going to put it all over my face. It's freezing here where I live. It's literally like yesterday on Thanksgiving, it was literally the highest it got was like 29. So it's cold and my skin is dry literally all year round, but in the winter it gets extra dry and crusty because it's so cold outside. Like, there's no reason for it to be 27 degrees. So now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation on the shade 420 and this little Morphe sponge. So I'm just going to pounce this foundation all over my face. Now, we're going to go ahead and get into some concealer. I'm going to use the Born This Way. I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced, and the shade I am in is dark. So I'm literally just going to go in and highlight underneath my eyes, on my forehead, my nose, my chin, and my cupid's bow. this is running. Oh. So, how was everyone's Thanksgiving? I watched the Macy's parade because I do that every single year. And I had to work that night. Alright, let me go in powder before I zoom you guys in. I'm using Makeup Revolution's their luxury baking powder in banana. I'm going to take my sponge, I put some powder in the cap, and I'm just going to take that and put it, press it, rather. Oh. Oh yeah. So, now that that's done, it's time for the eyes. I'm really excited about this because James Charles palette. We're going to go for this little creation, this cute little creation right there. So I'm going to take, and these brushes have the names on them. Thank you. I'm going to take the Morphe M441 brush. Just a cute little blending brush. And I'm going to go into the James Charles palette and take this yellow shade right here called B. And I'm going to run that in my crease. Alright, so that's the yellow. It's literally just a wash of the color because it is only my transition shade. So now I'm going to take the Morphe M433. I'm going to take this orange shade, 518, and put that all over my lid. I had a struggle doing this eye. And I don't know if it's just me or if I'm probably not using these like shadows properly, but I also don't have like a real eyeshadow primer, which is what was recommended to be used with this palette. So I'm using concealer, but I'm gonna try. I finally got this eye to be how I want it to be. This eye, on the other hand, it's not working with me. So I'm gonna go in with the yellow shade. I'm not holding this palette up again. Called B. And I am just going to dust this through the crease using a Morphe M441 brush. So now I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M166 brush. Take the orange shade called 518. And this orange shade does have a lot of fallout. So I'm just going to pack that on to my lid. And I'm literally just going to go in with the orange shade and build it up until I think it's fine. I'm telling you, when this is done, it's gonna look bomb. But right now, it looks a little crazy. So we're just gonna move on. We're gonna move on because I'm very meticulous. I'm very like perfectionist like. So if something doesn't look good, I'm gonna be real mad. But it's okay because it's all a learning process. Everyone's learning here. I'm learning. Y'all are learning. So we're learning together. I'm going to use this angled brush. It is the Morphe 158 brush. I'm going to take Playground. That's the shade. This light blue. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That one. Right there. Now, an hour later, we're back. We're gonna do mascara, eyeliner, and lashes. So for eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Unstoppable pencil eyeliner, and I'm just going to run this through my waterline. And I'm going in with Benefit They're Real Mascara. Just running not a real thick layer, but a small coat of mascara on my lashes. Top and bottom. 3 teardrops. I'm going to go off camera, put my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have put the lashes on, they're very natural. They're not like really dramatic because I don't want them to, you can kind of see them. I don't want them to like take over the eye because it's like, you know, a different eye look. But I did use the Ardell 160 lashes. I want to do highlighter. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Trophy Wife. Boom, she glowy. Last thing to do is lips, and I'm not going to go crazy. I think I'm just going to go ahead and do a nude lip and put some gloss over it. So I'm going to take MAC's Velvet Teddy lipstick, and I'm just going to put that on my lips. I'm going to take Kylie's lip gloss, Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in Glamour, and it's like a gold. Well, it's like a gold, so let's see. I'm actually really proud of this look. Like, I don't do stuff like this. This nice little slime liner. And I did orange on my eyes. I tried to. For my first time using the James Charles palette, like I said, I didn't use eye primer because I don't have one. So I tried using it with a concealer. The one I used wasn't as opaque as it should have been, so the shadows could like pop out really, but I don't mind this because orange on my eyes is definitely not for me. And it's different. Like, I don't do color. I continue to play with this palette. More looks will be coming using this palette. But as for now, this is it, guys. Here we have it, the slime liner. I really like it, actually. I was worried that I was going to hate it and want to just wipe it all off my eyes. But I really like this look, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this. If you want to keep up with me, feel free. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I have all my information in the description box, and it'll be coming up on the end card soon. So do that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want. You don't have to. I would love for you to be part of this family. Over here, we are cute, we are confident, and we're also a little bit crazy. So if you want to join the fun, press subscribe. And don't forget to also hit that little bell so you are notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.